only problem with riding like that is that this thing, the drink, that's supercharged. So, even worse. What do we got here? Cool bike, bro. It's nice. Super nice, man. Z1000.
I've been dreaming about that one.
Oh, yeah, man. Emmanuel.
Brandon.
Yeah, that's sick.
How long have you had that for?
Well, it's a 2024.
Yeah.
And I got it maybe like 6 months ago.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
But before that, I had that.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. Orange. I had an orange one.
Yeah, which year was that?
It was beautiful. 2016?
Oh, yeah, 16 as well.
Oh, no way. Yeah. Orange, everything.
Cool.
That's unbelievable. Oh, same pipes.
Yeah.
Vance and Hines, both sides.
Yeah.
I had all that.
Yeah. How are you finding this?
Oh, unbelievable.
Really nice. It just
Unbelievable.
test for one, and I was just like, oh my god.
Have you ridden one before?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
From the guy just up.
Motor Hub. That's where I bought that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Are you in the area?
Ryan and
Ryan and Michael? No way.
Yeah.
Oh, we should link up, man. That's mad.
Sure.
Yeah, so I got...
One of these.
Okay, listen. I have a confession, yeah? I have a confession.
Yeah.
That's fake.
It still looks good.
Can you tell the difference, Bart? You can, eh?
Just slightly. Yeah, slightly. But
So,
you've got to be observant.
well, I ordered a black.
Yeah.
I ordered all black.
Yeah.
Because it was like, it's too ugly.
Wow.
Unbelievable. It's so much fun, man.
Yeah.
It's so much fun.
Oh, well, I rode one and I was like, took it for a test, right? 30, 45 minutes later, they're calling me, where are you? Because I just couldn't come back. Yeah.
When did you last test drive it?
Oh man, when I think it was just a year old. So 20, that was before COVID.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, just when they just came in.
That's mad.
Yeah.
That's so good.
Yeah, and the whistling, man, that
The sound, yeah.
Charger, beautiful. So you're meeting up with someone or just going?
Nah, by myself.
No?
Yeah. Just by myself. Just wanted to go for a ride. That's why I was asking where you were going.
Yeah.
Like, I would have gone with you. yeah, straight away.
Unfortunately, yeah, I'm just heading back now.
Yeah, we definitely got to link up. If you want to ride, just shoot me a text.
Ride to? Like, I haven't ridden in ages. I used to ride.
Where do I ride?
Yeah.
I ride for food.
All right.
I always ride for food.
Yeah.
So, usually the city, but Bondi, Manly, or the city.
Yeah. Especially in summer. I mean, the night rides are really good, like around now. If you.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. You don't do the old road and that kind of stuff?
If you invited me, yeah, I'd go down.
I haven't done it in years.
If it's a small group, I'll go. Yeah. If it's a big group, I won't go.
I haven't done it in years. I used to do it almost every weekend.
I used to do it on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Pleasure meeting you, man. I might just follow you this way for a second. Yeah. You gotta love that supercharger whistle. How cool is this? I like this guy. He seems like a chill guy. Man, the motorbike scene, man, can be so good, eh? You like that? Makes you want to buy one, huh? You just got to convince your wife. Yeah, I'm gonna go through and then head back again. Yeah. Hey, thanks for the ride, bro.
Alright, take care, man.
Let's go. That guy was awesome. Oh man. So like I was saying, man, the bike scene is so weird. Like you can ride past someone and they don't even give you the time of day. No nod, no wave, no nothing. And then you can just meet up at a service station like that and then exchange numbers and end up going on a ride potentially, you know, like, fuck man. It's actually I feel like our culture can also be like this. You know, JDM, you pull up next to another JDM, amazing. You're gonna have the same respect, probably gonna like link up or see each other at the same car meets, but I don't know, there's nothing like it for me, huh? What's up, mate? I love it. Nice. Very nice. Anyway. Oh man, coming out of the bridge heading into the city. It actually brings me joy. And I'm not sure I know why. It just does. But you know what? I don't really care why. I know that it brings me joy. And if I need just a little bit of extra joy, right. Yeah. Little bit no good. He doesn't give a fuck. He could be. Oh no, he lives there. Yes. Love it. Uh-oh. The popo. Oh no. I always worry about the police. Always. Can't help it. Supercharged 1 litre. Of course. Uh, it's not, it's not even like you can do anything to make it like quieter. Stick out like a sore thumb, eh? It's so funny. It's one of my favorite spots in Darling Square. Dopa, unbelievable. Restaurant in there, Japanese restaurant, Dopa. What else is good there? Oh, if you like pork rolls, Vietnamese pork rolls, Marrickville pork roll, it's in there. What else? I don't know. Cinnabon. I'm not a huge fan of Cinnabon, but I think it's too sweet. But they're in there as well. Oh, this place on the corner here. Coffee Emporium. Nope, it's Edition Roasters right there on the corner. Edition Roasters. Unbelievable. Unbelievable food. Japanese again. Unbelievable food. Unbelievable coffee. Haven. Another coffee shop. Haven. Man, Haven's the best. What else? Now we're in Haymarket. Haymarket on the left here. I can't ride past it, but Haymarket on the left here has Doody. Doody is a Thai restaurant. It's open till like, I don't know, 12? Maybe 1? It's just here. I don't know. If you go, someone's fucking popping off. Some backfire. So just up here on the corner, Doody. It's a Thai restaurant. I say one of the best Thai restaurants. If you ever go, get the Penang curry. And if you like beef, get the Crying Tiger. It's like a grilled beef, and they have their own like little sauce. It's incredible. There it is there. I don't know if you can see it now. It's the red sign, not the one on the very corner, but just one in. It's called Doody. Like I said, it's a one-way street, so I can't even drive past it. Or maybe I can if I go all the way around. What else is good here? You guys, right? Excuse me, BMW. Interesting. There's a lot more dead than usual. So I am going to be able to go past Duty. What the fuck? Sorry, mate. Even though I was in the right. No need to punch on over that shit. Right here, guys. I'm gonna say best time. Oh, it's a nice BMW. I like that color. Right here, right here, right here. Look at this place. UD. Unbelievable. Look at that. They won an award. 2022. I bet you it says best Thai food rated by Emmanuel. Hey, wait a minute. This place is pumping. What's going on here? I just realized there is a huge lineup here. Oh, okay, it's on my list. You come in, guys. Holy. That place is pumping on the corner. I'm definitely going. McLaren? Not bad. just on the right here. Star. You can't get here with the car like where I'm about to go, but look at this. I don't know. This is beautiful to me. I love this. I love this. So just up here on the right, you can. Now there's like security cameras and stuff on every corner, but what are they going to do? Just tell me to move. It's about the best they can do, I think. So yeah, there's a security camera just up there. Yeah. Check this out. More HONJU. There we go. Wow. Not a person in sight. Not a person in sight. If you ever wanted to know one of the ways that I de-stress, here it is. Just gotta find your way. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at those buildings. I've actually never seen that. I don't know if it comes out on the camera. So in HONJU. What a spot. What a spot. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, that's my little ride out. Time to head home.